Good morning, people. So today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect one egg omelette. It's very easy, and I'm going to be using just a standard flat pan, basically known as a TAVA, which is like an Indian pan for making bread. Basically, it's not even non-stick, and I'm going to show you guys the easy way to do it. It's going to be healthy. I'm only using a little drop of olive oil, so bear with me and watch the process. So we've got our pan here and we've got the olive oil. So I'm just going to drop a little bit on here like this. Just a little bit. It's about a dessert spoon, not even that. And here's our whipped up egg. So just whisking that. I'm going to drop it right in there, right into the middle of that oil. So you don't want to move it around just yet. Keep it on a medium heat and just watch it expand. As you can see now, the egg is freely moving on the surface. There's nothing sticking anywhere. So just keep checking those sides. And you may have noticed that I've only used a fork to do this. I've not even used a spatula. Just turn the heat up just a little bit, not too much. As you can see the egg cooking throughout, I'm attempting to flip it. There we go, it's flipped. Not a single drop stuck to the pan. It's like a pancake almost. And now just to show off a little bit more, I'm gonna flip it like a pancake just so you can see. There you go, one flip. And again. See how easy that was? Perfect omelette. So I just chuck it on the plate with my two halal chicken sausages. And there you have it. Breakfast made easy. Enjoy.